What should we do about this video?
I don't know. Do you guys want to go to the library?
Yeah. What about you, Michaela?
Okay, let's go.
Hey y'all, I found a video. The research of this project is an essential part of creating your video. Choosing what to research can be difficult, but once your group communicates their interests, it's easier to narrow down a topic. Your research topic will capture in-depth aspects that may be overwhelming to just one person to investigate. To solve this problem, we assign each person to a group with one theme of the topic to research. It's helpful if each group member chooses a theme that they have the most interest in. Not only did this allow us to manage our time better, but it also enabled all of us to get equally involved. Throughout your research, your group can also decide to go outside of the secondary sources you have access to online. Our group in particular decided to gain more insight on our topic of tourism within Donaldson by interviewing people with first-hand perspectives. It's very beneficial that your group collaborates throughout this entire project, especially in the research portion. Although our group was pretty successful in researching our topic, we still struggled with narrowing down facts to contribute to our video. To avoid this, your group should choose information that best supports the theme of your topic. Following this advice will guarantee that your research effectively supports your topic.
Do you know the most important part of making any video? Planning. The answer is planning. Before recording, you need to know what to say in front of the camera. A script is much needed, such as the one I'm using right now. We did this by creating a Google document on Google Drive. In order to do this, one group member needs to log onto their Google account and go to Google Drive. From Google Drive, locate and select the New button, then choose the type of file you want to create. Next, choose the blank document option and invite your group members by clicking the Share button and typing in their emails. This enables your group to collaborate at the same time. Another key part of planning is communication. Swap email addresses, phone numbers to make a group chat. With the group chat, you can coordinate each other's schedules and plan when and where to film. One problem our group faced was managing our time wisely. A tip from me to you is allowing time for lots and lots and lots of trial and errors. In other words, be mindful of the time and begin recording in the morning or early afternoon for the best lighting, and then record later at night when filming inside, right now. Just remember the 3 C's: collaboration, coordination, and communication, and your group will be on the path to a successful video.
Following planning and research, our next step was to begin our filming process. An important part in this point in production is choosing the right equipment to make post-production as simple and as fluid as possible. For us, we chose a setup that would make it easier to film and move around to each of our filming locations. Our group setup consisted of 4 simple items. 1, a collapsible tripod with a phone attachment head. 2, a cell phone with a high-quality camera. We used an iPhone 7 Plus or Canon camera with video recording. 3, an iPad or tablet to use as a teleprompter, and 4, a teleprompter app to display our script on. Using a teleprompter app allowed our group to be able to read directly from our script while looking into the camera and saving us time by not having to memorize it. We were able to easily find an app to help us with this in the App Store for free, which simplified the process. After all your equipment is set up and ready to go, it's time to find the best locations to film. For us, we chose locations relevant to our topic, and A, was relatively quiet so the speaker could be heard, and B, had good lighting so that the speaker could be seen, and to upkeep high video quality. For each of our segments, we took multiple takes from multiple angles and then determined which ones were the most clear while remaining visually interesting to the audience. One tip we offer you for filming is don't be afraid to take as many different shots as you need. Change the camera angle or even the location you're in to give yourself a bunch of options when deciding what will be best for your video.
Think of your research video as a cake. Research, planning, and filming are all important layers to the cake, but editing is the icing on top. Allowing enough time for your group to edit ensures that your video will be cohesive and effective in getting your point across. To edit, you can use a variety of different softwares, including iMovie and Windows Movie Maker. Our group decided to use iMovie, which is what I will be showing you how to use in this tutorial. The first step of the editing process is transporting your footage. If you used a camera to film, you will use the camera's SD card to share your videos. If you used a phone camera, you can email the file to the laptop you are going to edit on. Once you have the videos on your computer, transport it to the iMovie library by clicking on the arrow in the top left corner. After choosing which clips you want to use, select Import Selected and drag the clips from the top left corner to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. A big part of editing is rewatching clips to see what you want to keep in or cut out. You can trim certain clips by dragging the end of the clip to remove excess footage that you don't need. There are also many other ways that you can make your video stand out. For example, our group used transitions in between clips and titles to help the audience better understand our topic. One problem we faced, however, was the sound. Filming outside or in a crowded area can cause some background noise. An easy way to solve this is by using a helpful tool in the top of the right corner in iMovie to increase or lower the volume of certain clips. Playing around with these different tools can be overwhelming at first, but if you allow yourself the time to edit, it will become easier and you will eventually get the hang of it. Good luck!
Hey, that's a great video.
Yeah, let's go make our video now.
Let's go.